designed this hydraulic rotary broom sweeper for my John Deere 2025R compact tractor and 120R loader, primarily because John Deere's broom sweeper requires that the loader be removed and a separate bracket attached to the front of the tractor with each use. This sweeper is powered entirely by the hydraulics of the tractor, which allows the broom to run in forward or reverse and also controls the broom angle. I've used it mainly for sweeping my concrete driveway and workshop, but it's also pretty good at dethatching and even for light snow removal. It's easy to mount and remove, just like you would with any bucket attachment for these tractors, by dropping in the two locking pins and then hooking up two sets of hydraulic hoses. It's also very lightweight, allowing you just to pull it across a smooth surface with minimal effort. I may start producing these at a price less than $5,000, I would think, if there's enough interest. So leave a comment to let me know your thoughts, or send me an email if you have a need or interest in this product.